So these are the results after the first month of having a sales funnel. My email lead conversion was up by 278%. My visitor to sale conversion up 22%. And my subscriber to sale conversion up 67%. And remember, I told you I'm not a technical person. I got a super solid sales funnel. I had some help with that. And now I'm just driving people to the sales funnel. And it's working. Okay, so strategy number one, if you're having some struggles with your website, maybe you just need a sales funnel. That also solved a problem I had, which was my site wasn't optimized because I started subscription commerce 7 years ago, and it's a custom site, and it's a bit clunky, so it solved another problem. My sales funnel is optimized for mobile, so that's good. Okay, strategy number two. I needed some more cash. I'm like, the sales funnel is going great, but I need some cash, and I need it fast. And what I came up with is a great sale. So you get the super fancy panty, the one I threw. You get the super fancy panty once a month for a year, but for the price of the signature panty. So it's 37% off. And then what I'm going to do is give you some content. I'm going to tell you why. And I'm doing this all through newsletter. Here's why you need it. Here's why you need it. And then, because I'm an expert in my field, I'm telling you all about French lingerie. And then I'm giving you a gift every day. And I'm doing this over the course of 4 days. It's creating immediacy. It's a super good deal. I'm talking to people who are already interested. And yeah, and I'm giving them gifts. I think you got a white thong, a extra gift, which was Paris earrings, and a colorful thong. So what did this promotion do? And you can all think of something you can do in your own business. Just think of a really great promotion, test it. I came up with another promotion, it wasn't as great, so that's fine, we scrap that, just move on and focus on what works. So I have this really great promotion, and I sent it to my subscribers that I've been sort of really building over the years, and I made 64 sales in 4 days. So $15,000 in revenue. So that's awesome. I've got this amazing sales funnel, strategy 1, and strategy 2, I've got cash, which feels so good. Like, who made in 4 days, $15,000? It's in the bank. And, startup entrepreneurs were like, wow, what can we buy now? So great, here, this is what you can do next. Strategy number 3, so my autoresponders. Now, it sounds really technical, but it's not. It's kind of like a drag and drop thing in MailChimp. I'm sure other platforms use it. I was nervous about it. I was like, Rob, I think you need to do it. He's like, Rob, I think you need to do it. And now I'm like always checking my autoresponders and improving them. So what is an autoresponder? Basically, everyone that subscribes to the list, it just sort of triggers this autoresponder. And it's a series of newsletters that are killer, right? You've used them. There's like a high click rate. Everyone loves it. And my promotion's in there, of course. So I'm actually still making money off of that 4-day promotion, even though the 4 days are over. It's just new people that are seeing it. So so you're taking them through content. So you can, right away they get, are you giving me the time? No? Okay, good. Okay, so let's see. And then you keep adding winning content. So every time I write a great blog post that informs my customer and has a deal, I'm just adding it to my autoresponder. And the other thing, okay, so this is what my autoresponder has resulted in. So $4.86 per newsletter subscriber. So I understand from Rob, and this was like a really hard concept for me to learn for some reason. But I was like, oh, is that good? $4.86, that's not very good. And he said, no, like most people go like $1 per subscriber. So I'm doing so well. And I used to be a high school teacher and not a math teacher. And this is data oriented. And like I said, I'm not in the panty business anymore. I get it. And so all of you guys can apply these strategies. All of you guys can get it. And you can make $4.86 per subscriber. But this is just the beginning, because it's only been a month. And I think that probably I could do even better. And I have more strategies up my sleeve, but that's what I wanted to cover today.